morning to everybody. Thank you for the opportunity that you've given us to take you through what Hatch is about. All protocols observed, everybody that's here, and looking forward to the session today. If I reflect back on yesterday, I had a good sense of what the plans are for the future, for the different areas in Africa, the ambitions, the plans, and the execution of these plans are key to success. And I think if we look at the opportunities, yesterday was a good session to reflect on it. And today, hopefully going into a bit more of the how can we assist major groups become effective. Now, at Hatch, let's go to the next slide, please. So my role is director for Hatch for Rapid Africa, and Africa, India, Middle East, this region really looks at I'm in control of my slides. I see the remote here. So Hatch is a Canadian-based company, and I think our key things that we are focusing on is our clients, coming up with incredible solutions to our clients, to develop new ideas and challenge existing paradigms, and also making sure that we deliver technologies and innovative solutions to our clients to make it a better world. Hatch is an employee-owned company with around 10,000 people across the globe. We've got countries, about 150 countries that we operate. Our head office is based in Mississauga, and we've got 68 years of experience in mining, energy, and infrastructure projects, which we'll get to in a second. This is just a map to show you where our different offices and locations are. If we look specifically at Africa, Europe, and Middle East, we've got our global delivery center in Johannesburg, and our Hatch Africa area is also a level 1 BEE contributor in South Africa. I think if we just look at some of the key differentiators that Hatch has and can bring to the table, is we are a privately owned company, and all the employees own the company. So commitment, ownership, all of that is a combination of our employees and the leadership. Engineering is our key core service that we provide on rail and other industries, but today we'll focus on the key rail side. Research and technology developments are one of our key focus areas, and that we strive on to support our clients. We've got unique differentiated products across the range of services and products that we offer. And there's also, the key thing is that we want to develop partnership with our clients. It's not just for the project, but through the life cycle of a project, from inception, through the detailed design, through implementation, and also through the sustaining and implementation and maintenance of the infrastructure. And then also doing that in a responsible manner, the sustainability and solutions approach that we bring to the table. So just to give you a quick overview, the red circles are the three sectors that we have. First of all, metals is the first sector, energy and infrastructure. And the symbolic lines that goes through there is how we've woven in the rest of our business, the advisory, business, digital technologies that we bring to the table. There's also the environmental and sustainability, which is a key building block for us in projects. Our project delivery group that then executes the projects on behalf of our clients, and then also dynamic earth solutions. So that is our model and how we support the three business sectors. And today I want to specifically talk about the infrastructure area and give you a view on how we structured in order to execute projects and develop projects for our clients. The first area is transportation, And that looks at freight, commodities, and logistics from pit to port. All of the components involved in making these logistics supply chains work. Second one is transit, and that all relates back to the transportation of people in cities, long, short distance area, as well as urban solutions. The development of cities around transportation corridors, around transportation modes is a key thing, and that you need to do in harmony. That's where our urban solutions team fits in. And then lastly, we've got water, the water business unit that looks at dams, water purification, tunnels, pipelines, supply of water, all of that. So just taking it a little bit further in terms of the elements that we have under transportation in the business unit, we've got a rail team, global rail team, and we'll get to some of the figures a bit later. Aviation, ports and marine, highways and bridges. Under transit, we've got dynamic data analysis, linear infrastructure, systems insurance, vehicle and operations, and also station facilities. Now, all of these are independent components that we use when we get to a project. We pull in all those different areas depending on the scope of the project and pull in expertise from there. And we can leverage off our global footprint of over 1,000 rail-related specialists globally that we can pull in to specially tailor-make the team for the project that we have. When we look at the transportation, as I've said, transportation and freight and the transit side, passenger side. Our specific or key differentiators that we have, or the rail expertise, covers light rail transit, commuter rail, also long distance passenger services, general freight, heavy haul rail, as well as high speed rail, the experience that we have globally. And I think it's the other items that you can see. We do projects from pre-feasibility, concept, design, detailed design, and then also project implementation through EPC and models, or through EPC joining other contractors in delivering the projects. We cover all aspects of rail, the signaling, the operations, overhead wiring, rolling stock, the requirements of rolling stock, how the system is put together. We've got simulation modeling to model corridors and to model capacity, existing capacity, as well as doing studies for future capacity expansion. And linking to that is the ability to look at condition monitoring of assets, condition assessment of assets, and how the assets can be upgraded to provide the required future capacity. So all in all, I think the ambitions and the plans that we heard yesterday, that is what Hatch can change and make the plans realities. The expertise that we have locally and globally to enable those plans and visions and then to become a reality by partnering with you and helping and assisting you to get through the different phases of the project development and seeing the trains run effectively. These are some of the clients that we have, global clients and local clients. Quite a wide spread of work that we've done in the mining, the transportation, and the transit area. Globally, we've also got some of our local people that work on global projects in Canada, and we can provide the full suite of solutions that is required to implement these projects. And I think the last thing, that one of our manifesto things that we are very proud of is that we are entrepreneurs with a technical soul, bringing the technical capabilities to the table and enabling projects to materialize. And I thank you for the opportunity. And if you want to have more information around our capability statements, what detail there are about each of the different disciplines that we have showcased today. And please feel free to scan the QR code. That will take you to the different project capabilities, or else please come and run past the table there. I think you see more brochures along business cards. So thank you for the opportunity, and hope and look forward to the great day for the rest of the day. Thank you very much.